Hi, my name is Chelsea Hurst, and I am the Instructional Technology Coach for a school district in rural Alaska. Through this time of global pandemic, people have been asking me, Chelsea, why do you choose Google Meet over Zoom? And my answer is simple, because Google Meet is the bomb. But really, I just love how well Google integrates all of its products together to make the experience using them super easy. And that has just gotten easier with Google Meet, because you can now upload Google Meet links to your Google Classroom to meet with your students in one click.
Once I get to my Google Classroom, I need to click on the gear for settings. Once I get to settings, I'm going to scroll down to this new feature that says Meet. And then there will be a button right here that says Generate a Meet link, which you will click on, and then your Meet for your classroom will be shown. You will have the option to make it visible for students, which if you save that, and then look, when your students come in here, the Meet link will be up here where they can view it. Now, they will not be able to join until you have clicked on the link. So you have to initiate the meeting before they can join. Or another place to find it is in the classwork tab. It is now here at the top of your screen. So you can post an announcement telling your students that you'll be on Meet at a certain time. And then once that time arrives, you can click on the Meet button and they will be able to join you. Another way to do this is to not make it visible, but then to copy this link. So click on this down arrow and hit copy, then save. And then you can create an assignment, or maybe you'll create a material or announcement. So on your assignment, you can create here under classwork, join using this link for this assignment, or on the stream, you can share a note with your class. You can say, please join me at 3:30 for a meet. Then I can go to link and then paste that link that I had copied, hit add link. There's my class video. I could post it right away, or if I want to wait for this to post at 3:30, I can go to schedule and change my time for my dates and 3:30 p.m. And then I would schedule that announcement, and it is there ready for my students for them to join the link right there for them right before our Meet video.
Hopefully you found this tutorial beneficial to you, and you will be able to use this in your Google Classroom to make meeting with your students just that much easier. If you like what you saw, please like my video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys.